So looking at the origins of Nikajo, instead of the big wide movement wrist twist leverage that people tend to use in trying to make pain, a person grabs you with a sword and he's going to stab me. If I start struggling and take time and make big steps here, he stabs me. So what happens is, I don't do anything with my right arm. And I just take the bottom, the tsuka, and just turn, cut the throat. He can't hold me because I'm not using this. If I even make it tense, he can hold me long enough to start putting holes in me. But if I just leave it where it is, and just move the bottom, done. It's very simple. Then when the person grabs empty hand, same thing. There's no lifting, no big stepping. This just goes down and lines up and cuts. And that's the origins of that technique, Nikajo.